Hey guys, so today I have a video on my first human hair wig ever in existence. So let's just quickly tell the story. 10 seconds, promise. I really wanted a human hair wig. I was going to do body wave because I know it's very versatile. You can straighten it, XYZ, XYZ. I'm very cheap and I was like, I like my synthetic hair because it's $30–$40 a piece. But the thing that I had the issue with is that they last about like 2, 3, 4 weeks and I need it to last longer. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the iSee hair. And I'm going to kind of leave the specs right here because I totally forgot. I just know it's like 130 density. It is, I don't even know the texture, y'all. Look at me not getting it together because this is my first human hair wig, so like it's rough in these streets. I believe it's like Kinky Curly or something. I totally forgot. It's been like a week since I purchased it, which is actually cool because last week was what, Christmas, and it came like in a decent amount of time. So when you get it, it comes in a box like this. I don't know if it's gonna be, there it goes. It comes in a box like this, and then when you open it, it kind of just shows you the information. Really cute packaging. And then you get like an info card, but I don't know where that is because I opened it like 3 days ago. I didn't like put it on or anything. I just looked at it and put it back in the packaging. That comes in this really nice insulated bubble wrap. And then it has a bag with the hair in it. Okay, so it says right here, I got the 130 Mongolian textured hair. And I don't know what, I think it's Kinky Curly though. So it's 14 inches, I know that for sure. And I love it. I mean, it's so cute. Let me show y'all. And so I'm just gonna slap this on my head and just see what it does, okay? So it's really nice and lightweight. I do wish that it was like a bigger, a thicker density. I know everybody, my family members were saying like don't get 130, get like 180 and up, but it is what it is, okay? So this was like $80 something, no, $90. It was during a Christmas sale. I don't know if that's always kind of like the sale, because you know how wig companies say, oh, it's a sale, and then it really isn't. It's really what it really always is. I don't know. My mirror's over here, by the way, so if you see me looking over here, it's because of that. And I know I see people on YouTube doing the whole like cat method where they kind of glue the cat down. Anybody got time for that? Nope, I'm not doing all that. It's not, I'm all about low maintenance because I'm a nurse and I need to just go in, go out, you know what I'm saying? And this is my lifestyle. I don't got time for all that glamorous stuff. So this is it, just slapped on my head. Yes, yes ma'am. So yeah, 14 inch. I have a pretty long neck and it lands like right here. So right at the clavicle bone, the shoulder bone, what y'all call this in Lang's term. All right, it's so cute. I definitely want to put a little like my foundation on the actual wig cap itself. So let me do that real quick. So I'm just going to use my foundation Born This Way in the color Hazelnut. Put it on back of my hand and just, you know, do what it does, I was going to bleach the knots, but nah. Oh, let me show y'all the inside. It looks like this in the inside. And yeah, I'm gonna put some foundation on the knots area on the back end of the cap. The lace is sort of green. It's not like, oh my gosh, it's green, but it has a green like undertone, which is strange. And I know some people were kind of saying that in the reviews of when I was looking for hairs and I saw this one, people were kind of saying the same thing, and I definitely see what they're talking about. So just something, just something to tell y'all, something to think about if you decide to purchase this. But it's not like unbearable, basically. All right, so here it is with the lace cut off. It is so nice, like what lace. So I have this Got To Be glue. I had it for a while now, I don't know why. I'm gonna just curd it with this glue.
Let it dry. I'm not even.
Babes, I don't think you should say that. I was literally talking to you. Sleep on me? Why? Sleep on me when? I'm gonna get some more foundation. This is so beginner friendly. I'm gonna like wet my hair now. I think I'm gonna put a part like that. So here's the hair wet, so it's so cute, y'all. And with curly hair, you don't really have to worry about, oh, is it laying flat or anything crazy like that. Like, it really just does its own thing. I love it. But I'm about to put some mousse to kind of just hold these curls in a little bit longer. This is the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse by Cream of Nature. I'm just gonna put a good amount, maybe like that much, half a palmful, and just really focus it on the root part to kind of flatten it. Just kind of smooth it down, the excess. Really get the root down to flatten it. And even though I'm pretty much bald headed, my hair is growing, so I could try to make this wig even flatter if I wanted to, but I think it's pretty flat, you know, flat, tummy tea flat, okay? Alright, y'all, thank you for watching. I love it so much. It's so much movement, and I put a little dazzle in it to kind of make it shine. Yes, I love it. Thank you for watching, and check out my new videos that I just posted within the past month. I'm definitely gonna be making more content. I actually stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon because I just reached 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've been making a lot more videos, especially like hair videos and like Atlanta content and etc. All right, y'all. Bye.